FDA warned, the warning letters mostly went out to cosmetic websites. They say that the companies were offering unofficial or mislabeled version of Botox-like drugs that have not been approved by the agency. Botox, of course, is safe when used as approved, both for cosmetic and medical reasons. Stephanie DeMello from the Biomed Spa in Fall River is here to talk to us about safety. So Stephanie, thanks for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
So for people at home who don't know, I'm sure a lot of people who get Botox don't know, what's actually in Botox?
So Botox, the brand is Botox, but what it is a neuromodulator that works at the neuromuscular junction to decrease movement of the expression lines in your face.
And how dangerous is it to use products that are not FDA approved? I mean, we know Botox is approved, we know Dysport's approved, but these counterfeit medicines online, how dangerous is that?
I think that it is very important to use FDA approved products only because you have no idea what is in them, where they're coming from, the sterility. There's so many factors involved, and even though Botox is a beauty treatment and there can be a blurred line, it still is a medical procedure. We are medical providers, and it is a subspecialty of medicine. So you want to make sure that what you're getting is FDA approved so that it's safe and it doesn't cause any harm or any long-term side effects.
We've even seen reports in other states of people purchasing this on Facebook Marketplace, things like that. I mean, talk about just how dangerous that is and why what you buy probably isn't what they're actually selling.
So I haven't heard of that, and that's actually really scary.
That's good that you haven't heard of it.
That's really scary. So these products are being injected into your face. So it's super important to make sure that it's safe and sterile. I can't stress that enough because these products that we use they go through vigorous studies, clinical trials, and there's a lot of steps that they take to make sure that it's safe and effective. And injecting anything into your face could just cause so much harm and so much damage that it could just cost you a lot of money to try to fix and repair those issues that you have down the line. It is not worth risking, for sure.
Have you ever had any patients come to you with needs of correction after a bad experience?
I've had people come to me with asking for corrections. I can't say for sure whether it was the product that was the issue, but there have people that have come to me with, they weren't so happy with their results for one reason or another. And we do our best to navigate that, but if I'm not the one who provided the treatment, it makes it difficult for me to know how to assist them.
But that's also the importance of going to somebody who's certified and knows what they're doing, right? Because if you inject Botox in the wrong spot, essentially that part of your face is paralyzed for 3 months.
Yes, yes. Once it's in there, we can't take it out. There are things that we can do to try to help mitigate the unwanted effects, but it's not something that is easily reversible or easily fixable. So you want to make sure it's done correctly the first time that you do it and that it's safe and sterile.
All right, Stephanie. Well, thank you so much for joining us today to talk about the dangers of this. And if you